Here's Brian. I would like to guide you today is to create a simple map for analysis through QGIS. QGIS is a free and popular geographic information system software for the visualizations and analysis of geographical data. Before we start, make sure you have already downloaded QGIS in your laptop. You to type QGIS download, click here, and you can see this page. Skip. I recommend you can download these versions. It may be better for us to have follow-up tutorial. Before we started, I highly recommend you to hide the taskbar. It's here. How to hide it? First, right-click the taskbar, find the setting, find the behavior, taskbar behavior, and you will click here and you can see the automatically hide taskbar. And click here. Now you can hide the taskbar and it will give you a huge convenience for the following tutorial. Let's start our official tutorial. On the bottom, you can see a coordinate. We type world, then we can get a world map. Next, we should find here EPSG. We should select Hong Kong as example today. So we select Hong Kong. Oops, sorry. 1963. It would be better for our further option. Okay. Then on the left hand side, you can see a XYZ tiles. Click here and click OpenStreetMap. Now we focus on Hong Kong. We can see here is the modern geographic issues or informations of Hong Kong. Okay, but if you can't see layers below the browsers, you can find in the top, click fill, panels, and make sure there's a tick beside the layers. Okay, now we should find another information to imply in this map. Okay, so let's change to here, which is the Common Spatial Data Infrastructure by Hong Kong government. You can find a lot of data stream. In this tutorial, I will choose slope and building as example. So let's choose building first. Just wait a second. Okay, we can see building. Click here, and I should remind that we need to use the geospatial servers and copy WMS link. And now we're back to QGIS. Find WMS here. Right click to mouse, and there's a new connection. Okay, paste. And the name I would recommend to use the name you would search on the website. So I type building. And here is okay. Now we can get building, map, building structure. So during the waiting time, let's copy the length of slope, shall we? Click, click, click. Just wait a second, but you can see the building is shaded. Oh, that's fine. You can find the two colors. This is building and this is slope. Now we get a map including the information of building and slope. So we probably may need to like point out certain places. For instance, I would like to point out the United College. Here's the United College. And how can I point out those areas? So like here, find the layers, click create layer, and find shape file layers. You can see there are four types of geometry, but if we want to just point, just mention an area we might need used point, line string, and polygon. But let's for the step, right? Let's just first let's use point on. Okay, so let's point out the area of the college. Here, there's a pencil. Click and find add point feature. Just like here, wherever you like, ID. So here, number 2. Here, number 3. And yes, also United College. Number 4. Okay, now we have 4 points here. We have a rough areas of United College. Next, we need use layers, create layers, new shapefile layers. This time we used line string. Okay, whatever. 20. Okay. So at the same, but this time we mentioned we need to collect 4 points. Is this and here and here? Okay, we can see that a area is more and more obvious, right? Final step is layers create new, and this time we use polygon. Now we get an area that mention information related to like the college. You can choose wherever you like, just using the same progress and approach. Like we want to locate Yunnan, we should find Yunnan first and use the same progress. How to just export it? Yes, export it. Let's back to the United College. So this time I will introduce a function. It's called plugin, manage and install plugin. This time we need to type, oh, okay, here, the layout loader. It will generalize the photo, I would say, or the pictures that is your I would say it is your results of this 2JS. Okay, let's type layout loader, paste it, and install plugin. For the second, okay, we close. Now you can see there is a plugin here. We can choose a different template randomly. The industrial, okay. Now, oh, we get the point here. Oops. Anyway, there is a map. Okay. Well, although it didn't show the areas, but you can see there are 4 points here. Okay. But why this didn't show? I don't know. Maybe we can choose another one. Maybe great. Full HD. Oh, Instagram. Stream Instagram is more useful. You may need use the picture that using Tutorials generate and post on the Instagram. Okay, let's type okay. Now you get 4 point. Oh, why? Why didn't it show it? That's intriguing. But anyway, this is a type that you can just generate a map and you could download in your laptop and use it as the promotion. So there is the end. It is the general mapping teaching, and indeed, I don't know why the areas like this area didn't show on this and on the plugins. I don't know, but anyway, so that's it.